welcome back to our channel. Today we're making granola. This is the inspiration from Bigger Bolder Baking that I've been doing this granola for many years. This is my take on it. These are the ingredients, and we have to start by preheating the oven and mixing the dry ingredients in a big bowl. We have to do it in a big bowl because it's a lot. And I'm using pecans. Pecans are delicious for this recipe, so you have to use those. But if you don't have that, you can use almonds or any other nuts that you want. I'm gonna be using coconut oil, but first we have to melt it and mix everything. Once we mix everything like that, I'm just showing you here what other seeds or nuts you can use, like seeds or any kind of dry fruit you want. But we do it this way because this is how we love it. We're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of water. Actually there are 3, but I forgot to record the third one. I was just mixing. And then we're gonna be adding the coconut oil. And the whole idea is to mix everything so it's well, the oil is well incorporated and everything looks like it's wet, right? Make sure you mix from everywhere because the sugar usually goes down, and the small seeds or nuts do that too. So mix as much as you can, and so everything, remember, has to look like it's wet. Anyway, so we're gonna put this in 2 baking sheets, and I think the best way to do this is with these ones. And so you spread a little bit here and like push it down with a spatula. Try to make thin layers, and then we do it in the other one just like that. And remember to push it down with a spatula just like that. And we put it in the oven because it's already warmed up, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be putting this for 50 minutes. Yes, I do have a convex oven sorry, but I wanted to show you what you can do. Every 15 to 20 minutes you mix it just like that, and remember to press it down again so it cooks faster, just like that. But if you don't want to do that, I'm just using regular oven. I didn't try to do it the other way, just to show you how you can do it, and it works. You can just switch pans, like the places, and it's the same thing as mixing. So once it's cooked like that, it smells delicious in this house. We love it, and we gotta let it cool off completely. Like, you have to touch it and you can't feel it has, it's warm, nothing. So I'm recycling this little jar, or bigger jar actually, and we're gonna add it. Make sure you have one that has a lid because it has to be sealed for more freshness, for the freshest granola. And I wanted to show you in these with all the granola that we made, this is 2.27 kilograms, and I wanted to show you how much it looks like. It's a lot. It's almost 2 kilos of this, 4 pounds, right? You can eat it with your favorite vegan or veggie milk, or with yogurt. I have a link down below for the yogurt and the raspberry jam. It's on my channel. I will link it down below. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.